Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate to you thoracic extensions. For those of you who have developed an excessive curve in the upper back due to office work, laptop work, etc. So some of you may be in this position all day typing, and unaware to you, you're actually doing this to your back. So when you stand up, your upper back has a bit of an excessive curve. So we're going to undo that curve. So you sit on a hard back chair like this. Notice how the chair is cutting me at this point right here. I'm going to clasp my hands to support my head, and I'm going to throw the upper body over the chair. Notice the hands are supporting the head, and I'm coming back forward. What I'm not doing is using the arms to pull me forward like this. That is not what I'm doing. It is the abdominal muscles that are going to pull me back forward. The hands are here just to support the head so the head doesn't flop back like this. Using the abdominal muscles, come back forward. Throw the upper back over the chair as far as you can. Buttocks is still on the chair. And you come back forward. Now to target a different zone of the back, what you can do, you can sit on a pillow or a cushion that elevates you. Okay, so now I'm at a different level. Once again, clasping the hands. Over. Abdominals pull you forward. Throw the upper back. Abdominals pull you forward. Do this for the required amount of repetitions. Typically, you will be given 20 to 30 repetitions at a time. You can do this at your desk when you're taking a break to help to undo that upper back curve that you're possibly developing due to a lot of office work.